Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome again, students, to the next video of your integers. Okay, so we were discussing about ordering of integers, isn't it? So how to order how to uh, place the integers in ascending order. Okay, and again we will see how to plot those numbers on your number line. Okay, so we have these many integer numbers. We did this in the last video, but I'll take it again one more time. So first, whenever you are given with integers, first you need to you do one thing: separate your positive numbers, positive integers. Okay, so we have how many positive integers? 3 and 12, right? 3, 12. And negative integers, that is negative numbers, we have -8. Go from your -8, -1, -5 and -20, isn't it? So this positive numbers, now order them in, that is small to big. Okay, order them as ascending. Okay, so order positive numbers will have 3 is smaller than 12, so 3 and 12 is the ascending order of positive numbers. Now order of your negative numbers. Okay, negative number order. So among this, which is the smallest number? It is -1, isn't it? After that, sorry, you need to place it in smallest. Okay, so smallest will be -20, isn't it? -20, -8, -5, -1, right? See, just remember, if you have any doubt in ordering of your negative numbers, so what you will do, you'll have 0 here, -1, -2, -3. So the number which is going from 0 to the left side, that is going on decreasing. Okay, so -3 is less than -2, so obviously -20 will be less than -8. Okay, and -8 is less than -5, -5 is less than -1. So this is our order for your negative numbers, isn't it? So now it's easy for you to place the numbers in order now. So in the middle, and first, this negative numbers are smallest numbers, right? So you are placing this, you're doing the numbers, this whole numbers in ascending order. Okay, so this first your negative numbers will come, because negative numbers are smallest numbers. So -20, -8, -5, -1, and you have 0 next, isn't it? 0 is less than this positive number. So the next order of the positive numbers, we have 3 and 12. Okay, so first of all, in this way you will order the integers. So you will just divide your the positive numbers and negative numbers from the given set of integer numbers. Okay, in order to to place them in order, you will do these steps. First, get your positive numbers, then get your negative numbers. Positive numbers, order them, okay, in ascending order, and then order the negative numbers, that is place them in order, that is ascending order. Okay, then combine them together. Now first you will write your negative numbers, because your negative numbers are smaller, less, and you have 0, so 0 will come between your negative numbers and positive numbers. After that, you will place your positive numbers order, that is 3, 12. Okay, Let's do one few more examples on increasing and decreasing order. Okay, this is increasing order, isn't it? So minus 20, sorry, minus 8 is greater than minus 20, minus 5 is greater than minus 8, right? This is increasing order, what we have done in the above example. Okay, this was increasing order or ascending order. Okay, all right. Now let's take other examples. We have numbers minus 7, 5 and minus 3. So you have positive number only 1, isn't it? Positive number is only 5. Then negative numbers, we have what? Minus 7 and minus 3. So let us place them in decreasing order first. Okay, sorry, first increasing order. So my number that is ascending order, minus 7, this will be minus 7 and 3, isn't it? So first your minus 7 increasing order we will take. Okay, increasing order, that is smaller to bigger. So increasing order will be smaller is what? Among 5, minus 7 is the smallest, the next is minus 3, next biggest among 3 is 5. So we are going from small to big. In decreasing order, it is just opposite, decreasing order. So you will first you'll get the first biggest number. So among these three you have the biggest positive number will be the biggest. You have only 1, 5, then minus 3 and minus 7. Just opposite of this will be your decreasing order, isn't it? This is ascending order and this is your descending order, right? Bigger to smaller. Okay, let's take one more example. These are your exercise problems. You have minus 3, minus 5, minus 3, minus 1. Let's do first place them in increasing order. Okay, in increasing order, smallest will be the you need to write first the smallest number. So you have all negative numbers, minus 5, minus 3, minus 1. So increasing order will be what? Same, minus 5 is the smallest. Okay, next smallest is minus 3 and the largest number is among 3 is minus 1. If you write decreasing order, yes, so the biggest to smallest, right? So among these three you have minus 1 as the biggest number, and second biggest is minus 3, smallest among 3 is minus 5. So decreasing order is what? Biggest to smallest. Okay, all right. Now you have this integers. Okay, two integers will be given. You need to find the numbers between all the integers between them and represent them on the number line. Okay, it's just like if in whole numbers, two whole numbers are given, 2 and 5. Okay, so you need to write the whole numbers between 2 and 5. 2 and 5, how many we have? 3 and 4, right? So 3, 4 are the middle numbers of 2 and 5. So if I place it in the on the number line, whole numbers. Okay, so if here it is 2, then it will be 3, 4 and 5. Like this you'll go for whole numbers. The similar fashion, we want to find the number integers in between these numbers. Okay, and you need to represent them on a number line. Okay, so minus 5 and plus 5, how many integers you will get between minus 5 and plus 5? Okay, so let me draw the number line. So we want from minus 5 to plus 5. In the middle you will have 0, Okay, so the number before minus 5 is what? So yeah, after this is this minus 5, you'll have between minus 5 and plus 4, you'll have minus 4. Numbers, integers between minus 5 and plus 5 are, you have minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, then 1, 2, 3 and 4, isn't it? So these are your integers between, you have so many integers between minus 5 and plus 5, isn't it? So it's easy for you to plot this on the number line. Okay, let me plot it on the number line. So my number would be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, isn't it? So now on this side you want minus, still minus 5. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. So between your minus 5 and plus 5, you have all these integers. Okay, so minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 are the integers between these are the integers which lie between minus 5 and plus 5. All right, okay, let's do one more example on this. I hope you are understanding this. There is nothing difficult in it. Just always remember, on the right hand side you will have positive numbers, on the left hand side you will have negative numbers, and 0 will be in between. Okay, so from, if you take 0 as a point, okay, left side you have negative numbers, right side you have positive numbers. So on the left side you have small numbers. Okay, minus 5 will be less than minus 4, minus 4 is less than minus 3, minus 3 is less than minus 2, minus 1. So between minus 2 and minus 1 is greater. Alright, so I hope you remember this, and there's nothing difficult for you to remember these things. Okay, so try practicing the number lines, try to draw the number lines, okay, of all the integers problems whichever are given you. If you try it, you will get used to it. Okay, so now they're asking us to find the integers between minus 6 and minus 8. Okay, now tell me how many integers you're going to get between minus 6 and minus 8, and that we need to plot it on your number line. Okay, see, they're asking us to find between minus 6 and minus 8, isn't it? So this, your smallest number is minus 8, right? So just go on minus 8, you'll have after before minus 8 you have, sorry, after minus 8 you have minus 7 and minus 6, isn't it? Minus 7, minus 6 and minus 5 and so on. So between 8 and 6 you have minus 7, isn't it? Let's plot it on the number line. So you have minus 8 somewhere here. Okay, so this will be minus 7, this is minus 6. Alright, so it will be minus 5 and so on. Some after minus 1 you will get 0. Okay, so just we need to plot it on the number line just like this. This much is enough for you. They have just asked you to plot on the number line these numbers, isn't it? Minus 8, minus 7, minus 6. That's all. Alright. So this arrow mark indicates you have many more numbers. Alright. Okay. Alright. So always remember, on the number line, you left hand side you have smaller numbers. Okay, as we go on, your number is going on decreasing on the left side, and on the right side the numbers are going on increasing. Okay, so 0, on is less than 1, whereas this is greater. 0 is greater than minus 1. Minus 1 is greater than minus 2. Alright, so that means the numbers here, they are going on decreasing on the left side. Here it is going on increasing till infinity. Okay, so decreasing numbers here will be, it is minus infinite till infinity. Alright, on both the sides we have many numbers which goes on till which are infinite, so we represent them with the arrow mark. Alright, so this is how you'll get some questions on ordering of your integers. Okay, and get the missing numbers, okay, on between two integers and plot them on the number line. All these simple questions you're going to get. Okay, you have exercise questions based on these things. All right, so I hope now tell me which between minus 5, okay, I have one block here, whether I need to write the what sign I need to write. Okay, if I take here 3, is it greater than symbol or less than or equal to symbol? Out of these 3, what symbol I can use in this box? Tell me. Minus 5, is it greater than or less than 3? It can't be equal to 3, right? Because this is minus 5 is not equal to 3. So minus 5 is what? It is less than 3. Alright, if suppose I took here as minus 5 and minus 3. Now tell me, is it greater than, less than symbol? What should I use here? Again, minus 5 is less than minus 3. Okay, if suppose I took here as minus 8. Alright, so what symbol you'll get now? Now minus 5 is greater than minus 8, isn't it? On the number line, you'll, after it is minus 5, you'll get minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. So this is a less number, this number is less than minus 5, or you can say minus 5 is greater than minus 8, isn't it? Okay, so these things in this unit you're going to get this kind of questions. Okay, greater than, less than symbol, or equal to symbol. If I take minus 8 here, so now you will use your equal to symbol over here. Alright, so this is how you are going to get questions on your integers. I think let's stop till here. The next part is, and the important part of your unit is your addition and subtraction on number lines. This is an important thing you need to understand. Alright, addition and subtraction on using number lines. Addition and subtraction of integers. Okay, you need to just practice well, okay, and get used to it very well. Okay, until we meet again with the next topic, I would like to take off from you all for now. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.